Crypto Guide for Crypto Enthusiasts. Introducing the Crypto Guide membership plan for you. The features that you will enjoy after joining our valuable community, just like other investors, are ways to earn free crypto, investment strategies, review request, market update and analysis, and much more. Earn crypto from the web from different websites, know their tricks, learn strategies and make them a passive income source. All are included under this category. Start using internet the right way. Having crypto is not enough, you must use your crypto. You'll get to know in this category: investing in crypto projects, crypto secrets, making multiple passive income streams, finding treasures, trading strategies and precautions, and whatnot. Grow your crypto smartly. Need guidance before you invest? Contact an expert. We'll analyze and share the results with you. Be confident with your investment. Hold the best coin for long term. Market updates and analysis by our crypto experts. Visit this section regularly to keep yourself updated, and that is enough. Learn how market make patterns. Premium facilities for customers. Opportunities for all. We offer several benefits to all our visitors. You can write about crypto and earn crypto. You learn $5 to $15 for every 1,000 views you'll get on your published article. You can find the strong crypto projects that are likely to explode in future. We do the deep research to find these projects, hence we list them as crypto gems. Visit our NFT store, where you can buy and trade NFTs. We have intentionally kept their prices low, so you can sell them later for a huge profit. Visit the NFT store. Sign up to get started and become a crypto pro.